VLOGMAS.
Today is day 11, my love. Alright? Turn on the light.
Welcome to VLOGMAS Day 11.
Hey guys! Welcome to VLOGMAS Day 24! What?
It's not 24. So today we're doing a little get ready with us for a birthday party. So guys, the vibe is very casual, clean cut, sneakers and jeans type of thing. So boys, I'm gonna give you your fits first. We're gonna get the boys ready and then I'm gonna put on my little fit. So stay right there, stay right there. So you gotta tell the vlog where you get your outfits from.
Mommy!
Yes.
Mommy, what? Look what I saw Daddy do. And you know what? He did
Alright, my side, come. Where you got it from?
my head.
Where you got your outfit from?
From our grandmother.
Okay. So do you like the pants? What do you think about it?
It's good.
Cool.
And I like it because it's blue and I have some pockets.
Okay, great. Let's put
And
it
blue
on.
is my favorite color.
Pants are tight, man. It's this country. Alright, so the pants are on. We're gonna put on the shirt. Put it on. You can't put on your shirt. So while the boys are putting on their shirts, I'm gonna do a little eyebrow. You know, I'm gonna have no eyebrows.
I don't care who finished. I don't care. I won.
Should I do eyebrows? I'm not feel like more than the eyebrows. No.
Oh yeah. I will slap you across your head.
No fighting. I'm not doing no eyebrows. I swear to you. I'm going as is. Alright, let's see if it's. Pull it down. So guys, I'm wearing a little standard jeans and a little plain tee. This has long sleeve. The time kind of hot, so I contemplate whether I'm to wear the long sleeve or switch it out to something else. But I never iron on nails, so this will have to do. So my favorite pair of jeans, of course. People must tired of the jeans. Need to go order some jeans off of Fashion Nova, guys. Like, let me know if you are a Fashion Nova fan, like where we can get some good quality jeans, cause them jeans are really hold up for a good look a while. So let your girl know where I can find like some nice jeans, slim fitted boyfriend jeans, ripped. I'm definitely rolling up the sleeves because it's a bit hot right now, but I know when it comes on to like the evening hours, it's gonna start get chilly. Boys, remember to take your sweaters. Yeah man, the cold front active, so eventually them have them sweaters with them. I might even take a sweater as well, depending on what time we come back. It might be chilly. Some lotion. Did I put lotion on here? I don't think so. Okay. Next time. What happened?
Killing Daddy butt. And then punch him.
Stop punching your brother.
And then kick him.
You guys are doing math? Alright guys, so we're at the location now.
It's 40. Yeah. What? Because 2 rows and
2 plus 2 is 4. Jamia knows 2 plus 2. So if you say 20 plus 20, he's gonna know that it's 40. So we're at the location now.
40 plus 40.
I'm gonna call
40 plus 40.
his mom to give me some directions. We have a little gift here. I didn't write.
40 plus 40.
I didn't get to write it up.
I know it. What is it? Hey, wait! That's my question! I know it!
Jamir, give your brother a chance to answer the man.
Wait, what was it again? 20.
Let's go! Jump, jump, jump. Jamir, you want to bring that?
I knew they were
Hold on. Can you hold on? This little boy, I swear, my baby. You think you're a baby? How old are you? How old are you?
1,000.
You wish you had 1,000. Hold on, man. I'm going to put him back in the bouncer house. I just went to the car.
Remember 2,000.
I'm not 2,000. Jamir, hold on to me, a man. Let's go back to the bouncer house. Go, Jamir. Say hi. What color snow cone are you having?
Right behind with.
You can share. Switch and let him taste some and you can taste some. Switch.
I don't want that type with you.
He wants to taste the juice. How it tastes? Good?
They just like it. No, we both were there.
Good job.
There was rainbow one and there also one spicy one.
So you like the rainbows and the spicy ones?
I only like the rainbow, but not the spicy.
Okay, Javi, how's your popcorn? Javi, how's your popcorn? Stop stuffing the popcorn in your mouth. You have to take your time and eat, okay?
The final thing, put popcorn!
That's the birthday boy. How old are you?
7!
Hey, do you guys know what the half of my heart is? He's
Well, I am 100.
You're not.
I mean, and 200,
You're
or
not
300,
200.
or 100, or
You're 5.
no, I 2.
You're 6. Sit and eat your popcorn.
Happy birthday to you. I'm glad that you're my best friend.
Oh, say happy birthday now. Say,
Happy birthday, Diego.
Aww.
It's so good.
Wow, let me see it. Wow, that's so cool.
Grab yours. Drop it on. Oh, did it?
Come along. What are you guys doing tonight?
Yeah, we're just wrapping the thing on.
Come on, man. Hurry and let's go.
Yeah, and now we pour out everything. And I don't know what to do, but you know.
So you got some car stickers,
Yeah, I know.
candy,
Let me just put it on.
cars, straws. Jamie, let's see your bag. Where
Okay.
your bag at? This is Javi's stuff.
Okay, this is all I have. The same thing.
You can get a car. Where's your car?
Yeah.
Got an activity book.
This is my car. Oh! You got a race car. Yeah, and I'm gonna take out my book. Race. And this looks super cool.
Wow.
Mommy,
It's a puzzle book.
wait. I'm gonna go. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna soon go back to the video.
Have kiddos who have the same word for book, but yeah, I'm gonna use this part.
So you share your Skittles?
Yeah, I'm gonna share these because I have 2 of these. So I can share with multiple people. And then we got to share, and we have a lot of kiddos. Now we and a lot of candy. Now we can share with everybody. Yay! And then we
Guys, we're just in from the party. And your girl is beat. Like, I'm so tired. The boys are here opening their little goodie bags and doing some activities from their activity book. It was like a cars theme party, so they got like little cars as, you know, goodie bag favors from the party. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a
And
night.
also we have the flag with the doll.
We never steal no flag. They were just there and the kids took them. It was a part of the decor for the event. So I'm just gonna call it a night, guys, and I'll pick up tomorrow.
Yeah, and also there was new candy that came out. Make sure you buy it today.
Yeah, promote candy. Let me see which brand is. They might pay you for promote them candy, young man.
It doesn't really make me get them anymore.
It's Warheads. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna pick up tomorrow.
Yeah, and Warhead make your mouth super sour. And I didn't open it yet, and it's super sour.
Alright, tell them bye.
Bye.
Tomorrow, don't eat my food.
See you
either.
tomorrow. View.
Javi, say bye, my love.
Bye.
Let Javi say bye, and then you can do that, Jamir. Wait, after Javi says bye, then you can do that. Alright, guys, see you tomorrow. Bye. You ready for today? Okay.
Hungry.
What?
Mommy, are you hungry? I want something.
If you're hungry, Jamir, then that's fine. Hi guys, so it is the next day and we are heading out to Javi's Carol service. Say hi, Javi.
Hi.
Looking dapper, the man of the hour.
Hi.
Jamir over there said drink juice. It is raining outside, but the show must go on. We have about 10 minutes to get to the venue, so I'll catch you when we're there.
And I'm open here, but where but
Do they work?
You go in the face.
No, they don't.
And now do what I said. Bye.
break this roasting and then open the fire. Grade 1. Clap them, clap them, clap them.
To all Jamaicans home and abroad, that I mercy, that I mercy. Me and the understand this. In a Jamaican nationalities, me love me and me cocoa, me banana and me toast. Me youth them a eat them all and see. Give me the chicken and the rice and peas. Christmas and soursop. Let your food good forever.
So guys, we are back home. Are you seeing me? Alright, so we're back home now. It was an eventful evening. Javi, how was your evening?
Good.
You enjoyed your performance?
Yes.
Guys, he did so good. I understand why they put Javi on the back and Javi know the song. Right, my love?
Right.
Javi was singing out hell, but you know, he did really great. I'm so proud of you, my love. And until next year, well, we'll have Jamir's Christmas carol or carol service coming up. And Jamir don't know him song. He should have been practicing.
Yeah, he's supposed to be practicing.
He has not been practicing, guys.
Yeah. And that means John got practicing in the car.
Well, we'll see. So until tomorrow, I'll see you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Also, I want to go ahead and announce my giveaway winners. So we have 2 winners. We have 2 winners, guys. I'm gonna find another skincare product to add to my giveaway. So congratulations to Sanita and Shanice. You guys are the first winners of my first ever giveaway in this Vlogmas series. I'll definitely hit you guys up so you can claim your prizes. Thank you so much for entering. Thank you for being a part of the gang, and you know, much love and appreciation. Until tomorrow, guys. Bye.
The chicken and the rice and peas.